So how can you adjust the resolution on the iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another explanation videos like this one. Well, you can change the resolution on the iPad, but only within specific apps, right? So for instance, if you are editing video within a CapCut or other video editor, before you export, you get to pick the resolution of the clip, right? So you can bump it up to like the full HD or even 4K, right? So it works in that sense. However, the iPad's resolution, it doesn't really just get changed. It's always going to be the same because it's like the hardware of the display. As I said, the only thing you can manage is like the content, but the iPad is always going to use the full resolution. The only thing that you can change in terms of like the display is the refresh rate. This can be found in the accessibility and in the motion section, where at the bottom you have the limit frame rate. And of course, it's not the resolution, but it also has like similar effect on the display where it just looks much nicer when you don't limit anything. So just check out these settings right here to ensure that you have it set up the best way. But yeah, that's really just the case right here. Other than that, you can only change the display and brightness settings in terms of like the text size and like bold text, but we don't have any like dedicated resolution control of the iPad. So let me know in the comments below what exactly you're trying to do with your device. Perhaps me or someone else might have the question for you answered, right? So thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important in the future.